Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a KD key for 2023 L7 using the KD-X4. This is the original key. This is the key to be matched, which is a KD key with the corresponding program already generated. We now support all Li Auto models. 2 cables are required. The one on the left is for pre-2020 models. This one is for post-2020 models. Let me explain it to you. First, this cable. You can see there are 2 black connectors. These plug into the vehicle's XCU computer. And this end plugs into our OBD. Connect the communication port to the KD OBD cable properly, okay? The other cable works the same way. This cable with white connectors is for post-2020 vehicles. The 2 white connectors also plug into the vehicle's XCU computer. And these 2 sides connect the communication port to the KD OBD cable properly. Then you can perform key matching. It supports key addition and out key loss. Now, let's demonstrate. First, we need to cut off the vehicle power. Tap the vehicle icon at the bottom. Tap maintenance. Tap power off. Now, remove the passenger seat. Now, disconnect the negative terminal of the small battery. Remove the XCU computer box and connect the corresponding cable. Reconnect the negative terminal of the small battery. Now program this KD key. Let's enter the matching function. Select Li Auto. This is a 2023 L7. Check the number of keys. Number of keys, 2. Li Auto has a feature, maximum 2 keys. Oh, we need to delete them first, then add them. Okay, let's tap delete first. Now the number of keys is 0. Then let's add a key. Tap add key. Maximum matching keys, 2. Now we need to program the key. Put the key in the induction area. The induction area is here. Put the key in the induction area. Then move this key further away. Tap OK. Matching successful. Now let's match the KD key. Okay, matching successful. Now reinstall the XCU computer and test the key functions. Now disconnect the negative terminal of the small battery. Reconnect the XCU computer cable. Reconnect the negative terminal of the small battery. Let's test the remote control function first. Lock. Unlock. Test keyless entry. Lock. Unlock. Get in the car. Start the vehicle. All functions are normal. Done.